Alright, it's time for one of my favourite parts of the van build.
Destination is on the left.
I think it's one of my favourite parts because it makes the biggest change to a van, and it is time to do the full body LineX spray. I do this on all of my personal rigs, so it gives it a really rugged look, it makes it scratch proof, dent proof, it's super fun. And so it's probably one of my favourite parts of the van build just because it goes through such a drastic change, changes from a regular Sprinter, and the full colour change is just like extreme. And so I love seeing the before and afters of this, and let's go inside, check out how this whole system happens, and maybe do it to your rig, I don't know, it's pretty fun. So when we do the LineX, step one, remove everything. Alright, the vehicle is super stripped back. You can see all the doors and stuff are off of it, seats are out, everything is in piled up out here. At this point now, we need to scratch back all of the surfaces so that the LineX will stick and adhere to it. So a few bits are going to get done by hand, just surrounding things detailed, and then everything else we get to use air tools. Everything gets scratched, and then it'll be time to spray the LineX on. So let's get scratchy. Okay, bonus round for the LineX guys. They've offered to put on all of the Backwoods gear onto the DINGO 4x4. So that is awesome. Just at my sister's house, who's kindly been storing all my Backwoods collection, which is also awesome. So shout out to her and my brother-in-law for doing that. Pew! So we've grabbed all the gear and we're gonna head back to LineX now and start assembling that, and it's gonna look like a whole new van. Let's say out of this guy. This guy's just chilling. What a great dog. Alright, are you ready? Today is the day down here at LineX. Ready to meet the DINGO.
Yeah, my Lord, watch me sway, darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day, down to the river. I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man, down to the river, down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, taught me how to live. Daddy taught me how to give. Both of them had their own sins. Down to the river, every man has felt the shame. All our blood, it runs the same. Father, hear us as we pray. Down to the river, down to the river.
Okay, thank you, LineX. The outside looks absolutely fantastic. Now it's just time for me to make the inside match, so stay tuned.